Looking for ways to reuse those empty soda cans? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you amazing projects using ordinary aluminum cans that anyone can make at home. Grab your supplies and let's transform those empty cans into something useful and fun. Place a small metal ball in the center of the aluminum can's bottom. Strike the ball with a hammer to create a small depression. Make a hole exactly in the center of the resulting depression. Using a compass, carefully cut out the bottom of the can with a utility knife. Smooth all sharp edges with sandpaper or a file. Make several evenly spaced holes around the circumference of the can. Cut the bottom parts of equal size and height from this can and another can. Cut a strip from the remaining part of the can slightly higher than the bottom parts of the cans. Connect the strip into a ring using a stapler and make small triangular cuts. Make several folds around the entire circumference on the lower part of the structure. Connect the upper, lower, and central parts of the structure. Pour alcohol inside and carefully light it. The homemade burner is ready. Let's check the boiling speed of water in a pot over such a burner. Excellent result. Take an aluminum can and remove its top part using sandpaper. Cut out two rectangles on opposite sides of the can along pre-marked lines without cutting all the way through. Bend the cut parts inward to form a stand. Place dry fuel on the resulting inner stand. Light the tablet and place a cup of water on top. In a few minutes, you will have hot water for tea right in nature. An ideal solution for hiking or just to warm your hands in cold weather. Carefully remove the top part of aluminum cans using sandpaper. Paint the cans in bright colors using spray paint. Let them dry completely. Fill them with fertile soil and plant seeds or seedlings. When the seedlings grow, they can be transplanted into open ground or larger pots. Make a small hole in the bottom of an aluminum can and drain all contents through it. Remove the bottom of the can using sandpaper. Make cuts along the marked lines and carefully bend the resulting parts in different directions. Remove the plunger from a regular syringe. Cut off the tip from the hollow part of the syringe and thread the wires from the lamp socket through the resulting hole. Use hot glue to securely attach the socket to the syringe. Glue the can on top. Screw the light bulb into the socket and connect to the power supply. A practical and original lamp lantern for your workshop is ready. Cut the bottom off an aluminum can. Make a small hole exactly in the center of the resulting circle. Thread a small piece of rope through the hole. Place the aluminum disc with the rope in a glass of oil. Wait a bit for the rope to soak in oil, then light its upper end. The oil burner is ready. Did the glue gun break at the most inappropriate moment? Cut the top and bottom parts of the can with a utility knife to get a rectangular aluminum sheet. Form a cone from the sheet and secure it with a nut. Make a cut and bend the parts of the sheet in different directions. Attach the resulting cone to the soldering iron. Now you have a homemade glue gun. Cut an aluminum can in half. Take a zipper of suitable length. Glue one side of the zipper around the entire circumference of the lower part of the can. Then carefully glue the second side of the zipper to the upper half of the can. Now you have an original box with a reliable lock. Perfect for storing jewelry or workshop odds and ends. Cut a rectangular sheet from an aluminum can lengthwise in half, getting 2 long strips. Connecting the ends with double-sided tape, form a circle, square, triangle, heart. Roll out the dough to the desired thickness. Using homemade molds, cut shapes of different forms from the dough and bake cookies. Cut the top part off 2 aluminum cans. Cut one of the cans as I did and make many holes in the bottom of this can using an awl or nail. Fill the other part of the can with salt. A compact hiking salt shaker is ready. A practical solution for travel and picnics, taking up minimal space in your backpack. Cut an ordinary candle into small pieces and remove the wick. Place all pieces in a small pot or ladle and slowly melt on the stove until liquid. Cut an aluminum can in half. Place a wick in the center of the bottom part and carefully pour the melted wax into the prepared mold. Leave until completely hardened. An excellent way to give a second life to candle remnants. Pour the contents of an aluminum can into a glass. Thoroughly process the bottom of the can with sandpaper until it is completely removed. Remove the top part of the can in the same way. Using a file, process one of the edges of the resulting cylinder, creating sharp serrations around the entire circumference. Take a fresh ear of corn and insert it into the aluminum cylinder. Rotate it smoothly and the sharpened edges will quickly and efficiently remove the kernels from the cob. Cut off the top and bottom parts of an aluminum can. Make several cuts on the bottom part. Put the top part of the can on the bottom part. Pour a small amount of vegetable oil inside the resulting structure. Roll a paper napkin into a tight tube and place it in the center of the device. The oil burner is ready. Take an aluminum can and rub its top part against sandpaper until completely removed. Take two plastic zip ties and tighten them around the can parallel to each other. Thread a third zip tie under the already installed two, forming a handle. A convenient hiking mug with a reliable handle is ready. Remove the top part of the first aluminum can using sandpaper. Take two more cans and remove both their tops and bottoms to get two hollow cylinders. Make two round holes on opposite sides in the first can with the bottom. Insert the prepared hollow cylinders into these holes. Seal all connections with hot glue. Place a slice of fresh lemon in the central can. Put wet sneakers on the ends of the side cylinders. Turn on the hairdryer and direct the airflow into the central can. Remove the top part of an aluminum can. If desired, you can additionally decorate the outside of the can with stickers or paint. Fill the can with pencils, pens, and other stationery. Take an aluminum can and remove the top part by rubbing it against sandpaper. Make 4 small holes in the bottom of the can with a knife. Using a file, carefully process the edges of the holes, making them slightly pointed and smooth. The improvised grater is ready. Take a thin drill bit and carefully drill wooden popsicle sticks. Drill a toilet paper roll and insert metal pins. Glue popsicle sticks onto these rods. Cut an aluminum sheet from a can. Be careful with sharp edges. Cut a small circle from the resulting sheet, matching the diameter of a soda can. Make a cut in it and form a cone. Glue the resulting cone to a paper toilet roll. Assemble a stand from popsicle sticks and several chopsticks. Cut off the tips from syringes and glue them to the structure. Connect 2 large plastic lids together. Take several smaller lids and make holes in them. Make markings on the large lids and make holes according to these markings. Connect the lids together using toothpicks. You should get a structure resembling a mill. Place the structure on a glass form and refine some elements. Make a stand from wood and place a wooden figurine on it. Carefully pour in water. Drill holes in another aluminum can and insert a cocktail straw. Process the joint with hot glue for tightness. Connect two cocktail straws using a third, thinner one. Insert the tube into the hole and immerse the entire system in water to fill it. Now it's time to enjoy the result and appreciate the flow of water and the working mechanism. Cut an aluminum can into thin strips. Gather the cut strips together and carefully crumple them into a small ball. Done! You have a scrubber for washing dishes. Take the bottom of an aluminum can. Drill a hole. Insert a wooden stick into the hole and fill everything with hot glue. You've got a fun spinning top. Our cat liked it. How about you? That's all. See you next time.